Awesome.
Yeah. Star power. Oh, fuck, another, get.
It's right around the corner to the left.
Okay, ready?
I think, yep, in there.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Careful. Don't run just from side to side. I'll end up hitting you. There we go. There's, okay, I'm gonna, mining. Come on. Yep. Boom, gone.
Okay, if you take one, I'll take the other.
Okay. What do we have here? Ingots, bucket, bread, cocoa beans, and you're not saying yay over there, so I'm guessing
we got some redstone, some wheat, some seeds, bread, and some more wheat.
Whatever. So we need more wheat. Oh, there we go. I need to get used to this Naga, dude. When it comes to this game. Can't believe I said stronghold before. There's like a stronghold. Ah, well.
And didn't.
Okay, let's go back because there's more shit.
Yeah. With tons of torches. We gotta go up that way.
Huh?
Yeah. Here.
What? No.
This way up.
Yeah, but you remember that amazing thing I told you about? That's this way. I haven't even shown you that yet.
Have you? Yeah, behind you.
Yep. Skeleton.
Well, I can take out the skeleton.
Yep.
If you just move a bit.
I'll go in this hole.
Where the fuck?
See all that lava, dude? There must be diamond down here. There has to be diamond. But yeah, like I was saying before, guys, if you are a YouTuber, established YouTuber, doesn't matter if you have 200 subscribers or 2 million, I don't care. As long as you are a YouTuber that make content regularly, then write me a PM if you want to be part of Mine's Bigger. Come hang out with me and Carno, have fun, drink some beer, stuff.
Yeah, beer is mandatory.
Yep, definitely. Okay, this is fucking huge, dude. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put down a stone right. Yeah. And then
okay, so
I don't know if we need that blue stuff. I'm gonna get it anyways. Oh yeah, well, why not? Oh shit, that went down. Okay, that's gone. There's lava below. Okay, so what does... No, that wasn't it. God damn it. Redstone. Yeah, I might as well get it.
So what is it? Water and lava? Doesn't that
shit? Shit.
Okay, you win, kaboom.
Yeah, I did. I only lost 2 hearts though, but still. God damn it. Stupid kamikaze bitches. There's something up here. That's your phone.
Yeah. Yeah, very impressive. Sorry about that. Sorry to the interwebs.
Very impressive. Actually, I'm gonna remove these. I feel like this is some kind of a place where we could use a lot of time roaming about, trying to find, you know, stuff. I'm not even gonna bother with that.
Dude, I lost you again. I was getting that red chisel stone.
Okay, I am. Shit. I'm gonna make my way back then.
No. I'm at the point where water meets lava.
Yeah. Here, dude.
Yeah, but I think there's something interesting over here.
Let's go that way then. You. What the hell are you doing?
Making a bridge so we don't get.
You won't get flushed into the. Oh, look at all that obsidian. We need that fucking god. Damn. Ah well. That
fuck.
didn't help a whole lot. Actually, hang on.
What if we cock block the water?
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to do, but.
Swim up, god damn it!
What just happened? I didn't clock that shit up. Okay, hang on.
Oh, dude, there's so much fucking obsidian down here. What? A fish? No, just you.
Oh, god damn it. I'm stuck. What the hell is going on here?
You suck. Okay, I'm going up this one.
Oh my god, dude. This water is all the way up fucking here. Where the hell am I? All this shit just to clog up a goddamn water. This water goes forever, dude. Fuck that shit. There's better ways to clog that shit up. Hang on. Let me do this. Nope. Hang on. God damn it. God, no. No. I'm gonna fall to my death. I can't see anything. Where the fuck are you at?
I'm still down.
There you go. Oh,
yeah. Found you.
Yeah. Nope. What was meant to be clogging up the hole ended up being more water.
Fuck. Lava way too close.
Then just get up here like me. Or something. Jesus Christ, there's a lot of lava down here.
Mm-hmm.
I believe I can go all the way out here. Whoa. There we go.
Well, at least there's water if we catch fire.
Let me see what the fuck's in here. More water. This is like a really huge underground. What the hell? Haha, look at that guy over there, dude. He's caught.
Headshot. Boom.
That was in his neck. Neck shot.
What the hell? Ah, fuck.
What is up?
I got ganked by a skelly.
Are you dead?
Nope. But I'm down to like a heart and a half.
No. God damn it.
Oh, check out all this iron up here.
Yeah, but as is right now, I'm more interested in getting the goddamn, bone? The, see if there's some diamond over here or something. Damn it. So let's see here.
I'm just gonna sit tight for a while with my heart and a half.
Yep. There's probably gonna be lava underneath that one. Oh, there's now. Okay, so there's no diamond that way. Just gonna go up here. I want to make sure you didn't miss anything. Whoa, 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 whoa. Creeper.
Ah man, don't pull it here. I still only got like heart and a half.
No.
And I'm not getting any regeneration.
Well, are you fully fed? I take that as a no.
Well, now I am.
Oh, no! God damn you, stupid zombie. Get crit. What the hell is hitting me? Oh, there you are. Poon. Another one. There has to be a spawner near. And a fucking spider as well. Are you kidding me? Yeah, eat that.
Okay, I'm like only 3 hearts down. Here I come to the rescue.
Shit, yeah, well, stand back because there's a creeper incoming.
Well, apparently zombies die when they fall into the lava.
Yep, everything dies when it falls into the lava.
Okay, where the fuck did you go?
Upstairs. You know that water place where you were? Come on. Haha. When you jump, you make the crits, dude.
Ah, fuck, creeper.
What was it you said about the creepers in the previous episode? Creepers are kind of nice. You just need a hook. With
Dude.
a rope around their neck.
Where the fuck?
I'm coming back to get you. I just clogged up some water. Just stay down there where you were. I'll be right there. Oh, you went the other way. Hang on. I'm gonna get that guy. Haha. So the other side. You see me?
I just gotta get out of this thing. I see you.
Awesome.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. There's something in here.
Okay. Okay, I'm switching to ranged.
I'm switching to ranged. You one of them bow spec guys, huh?
Yeah.
God damn it. Okay, well, correction, there's nothing in there.
Nah. Some gravel and some flint.
Is it too much to ask for to just find one diamond? We haven't found a single diamond yet. That's the first time that's ever happened, and I mean, at least, wow, even that takes skill. Putting a torch in the water. You kidding me? Oh, stairs down. Did you get lost again?
I was just checking out the scenery. No, I'm back. There's just no idea where the hell you went from here.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So you
And
got lost
I know
again.
where I am. No, I'm not fucking lost.
Because there's torches here. There's none up here. But there's a lot of shrooms. Shrooms! Okay, so where the fuck? Oh, hang on.
Did you cross the water?
I crossed a lot of water.
Yeah, but the way back?
Hang on a sec. I'm coming back to get you again.
I'm just asking where the hell you went.
Well, I don't really know. There you are.
Oh, there, yeah, see you.
Actually, I want to go this way. I don't even know where the hell we are anymore. and how to get back.
Well, details. And nobody gives a shit about those.
Yeah, true. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that's a bad way to go. I don't see any diamonds. Nope, no diamonds that way. Come on, game. Get me up here. Okay, so we're getting up here, and I'm actually down to my last 2 torches.
Dude, I only have 13.
Yep. Well, let's get back toward the house then.
Yeah. Going sword mode.
Yep. This has to be the way up, right?
Yep.
It is. Because I put down that stone. Then we went that way. You had something to show me up here with all them torches, by the way?
Yeah. There's a huge unexplored area.
Where?
This way down here. Oh, what? No, not here. Oh.
Yeah, I think I've been there in the meantime.
Yeah.
So
I think you doubled back.
Yeah. Oh. Where does that... Why did the jump feel so familiar? This is the way back. You getting lost again?
No, I'm mining.
Yeah.
I'm picking up all the chisel.
By the way, guys, remember that the Mindspeaker is a show now. So if you go to the description below, you'll see a thumbnail. If you click on that, it'll take you to the entire show. This is not the way back, by the way. This is dark, I think.
No, this is where I kind of died.
Yeah. But yeah, it's a part of a show, meaning you can subscribe to it. It's this way.
Go up.
Yep. Well, we haven't been there, so it can only be this way.
There can be only one.
There can be only one. That was that lava hole. Where the fuck's the exit?
Up here, I think. Nope. Nope. Dude, we seriously lost.
That's no good. That is definitely no good.
I think it's up.
Up?
Yeah, up there.
Oh. Nope. Oh, that way?
Yeah.
You might be right. I think you are. Oh, there's a huge place up here that's unexplored as well.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yeah. I'm in front of you.
Oh.
Fuck me.
I would rather not. Yep, this is the way out. I see night light. And grass.
Well, actually, it's daytime, but
Ah. This wasn't the way we came in, though.
yeah, it was.
Was it? Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
It was nighttime.
Yeah.
See the sun's getting up.
Yeah. Oh, it's burn.
Aha. Burn, baby, burn. Dee, 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 dee. Oh, I'm gonna try that saddle on that. Does that work? Oh shit, I'm dying from hunger almost. Let me see if that saddle works on it. Nope. I can only hit it with it. Get it back here.
I'm gonna club it with a mining pick. I think that was this episode.
Yeah.
Oh, spider. I'm gonna pull it. I pulled it, you tank it.
Okay.
At this room.
Yep. See it? Ah, he's not budging.
Dude. Sidestep.
Seriously? Oh well. We can try the saddles in the next episode.
Yeah. When we find some piggies.
Some piggies. We should have a pig farm. We need to get the sugarcane farm up as well. But hopefully next time we will have some guests along for the show as well. Like I was talking about before, we have Stereotype joining us, and we got Palix joining us for a few episodes as well. And yeah, like I said, if you want to be part of this, then send me a PM. Obviously, if we have 1 million people write us, then that they want to be part of it, we can't say yes to everyone. So just keep that in mind. And don't take it as like if I say that I'm sorry we're full, we got so and so many, that it's because we do not like you or we do not this and that. It's just because I mean I can't give. It's kind of like with World of Warcraft and raids and shit like that. If you're a 10-man guild, you can't, and you have 15 people signing up, you can only give 10 people a spot. But yeah, like I said before, remember it's a show. You can subscribe to the show, meaning if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can just subscribe to the show and you will only get the Minecraft videos showing up in your subscription module. the submission.
Well, that involves ropes and other shizzle.
Yeah. And just an FYI, I'm not. Why this is bugged? I'm not into that shit, by the way. Could you
like to tie people down?
Yeah. Stuff like that. But what the fuck's up with this? Could you open and close this box right here? Nothing?
Nothing.
God damn it. Oh well. Take care, guys. Have fun. See you all in the next one. This is the last episode, by the way, that we were recording for tonight. So take care, everyone, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.